Hi everyone. So previous class we have discussed about introduction to magnetostatic, magnetic flux, magnetic field intensity, magnetic flux density, and relationship between magnetic field intensity and magnetic flux density. So in this class we are going to discuss about Biot-Savart law. So what is the Biot-Savart law? Biot-Savart law allows to determine differential magnetic field intensity dH bar at point P due to the differential current element. The Biot-Savart law allows to determine the differential magnetic field intensity dH bar or the total magnetic field intensity H bar at point P due to the differential current element ideal bar. Consider conductor. This conductor carries the direct current I ampere. Consider the conductor. That conductor carries the direct current I amperes. Consider small elementary length dl bar dl on the conductor. I is the current and dl bar is the differential length and IDL is the differential current element. I into DL is the differential current element. The product of I into DL is the differential current element. Consider the point P. At that point P, we can determine the magnetic field intensity and magnetic flux density at point P due to the differential current element ideal. So draw the vector line from elementary length to point P. Capital R is the distance of point P from the elementary length. R bar is the distance of point P from the element length. So now here we can determine the magnetic field intensity at point P due to the differential element. So along this direction from elementary length to the point P, the unit vector is AR bar. A suffix capital R bar is the unit vector in the direction from elementary length to point P. Elementary length to point P. And theta is the angle between along the line joining the point P with elementary length. Theta is the sign of the angle between elementary length and along the line joining of point P. So now the statement of the Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law states that the magnetic field intensity or the differential magnetic field intensity dH bar at a point P due to the differential current element ideal bar is states that product of the current and differential length proportional to the product of current and differential length and sine of the angle between element and line joining the point P and inversely proportional to square of the distance. Inversely proportional to the square of the distance or between point P and the element. Once again, the statement of the Biot-Savart law. The Biot-Savart law states that the magnetic field intensity at a point P due to the differential current element is defined as or states that proportional to the product of the current and differential length and sine of the angle between differential length and line of the joining the point P and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, different elementary length and point P. So mathematically, the differential magnetic field intensity at a point P is dH bar is directly proportional to I dl sine theta by r square. That is equal dH bar is equal k into I dl sine theta by r square, where k is the proportionality constant. The proportionality constant k is equal 1 by 4 pi. And substitute k value into above equation, we get the magnitude of the differential magnetic field intensity at a point P due to the differential current element is I dl sin theta by 4 pi r square, where I is the current, dl is the differential length, I into dl is the differential current element. Theta is the angle between sine of the angle between element sine of the angle elementary length theta is the sine of the angle between elementary length along the line joining the point P, and r is the distance from elementary length to point P. R is the distance between elementary length to point P. In vector form, that is the magnitude of the magnetic field intensity at point P. Now calculate the vector form of the magnetic field intensity at point P. So dl is the magnitude of the vector length dl bar. AR bar is the unit vector in the direction normal to the elementary length. AR bar is the unit vector in the direction from differential current element to point P, normal to the current element. So we know that using cross product, dl bar cross AR bar is equal, dl bar cross AR bar is equal magnitude of dl bar, magnitude of AR bar sin theta. Since magnitude of AR bar is 1, magnitude of AR bar is 1. Therefore, dl bar cross AR bar is equal dl sin theta. Magnitude of AR bar is unity. Therefore, dh bar is equal. So, what is the magnitude of the magnetic field intensity? dh is equal ideal sin theta by 4 pi r square. So what is the vector form of the magnetic field intensity? dh bar is equal magnitude of the magnetic field intensity into AR bar. So therefore dh bar is equal ideal sin theta by 4 pi r square into 4 pi r square. So now here the cross product between dl bar cross AR bar is dl sin theta. So because of that, dl sin theta is written as dl bar cross AR bar. So therefore, the vector form of the magnetic field intensity is dh bar is equal I dl bar cross AR bar by 4 pi r square. So what is the definition of the unit vector? R bar by magnitude of R bar. So after substituting the unit vector in the above equation, we get the vector form of differential magnetic field intensity at point P is I dl bar cross R bar by 4 pi r cube. So that is the differential magnetic field intensity at point P due to the differential current element. So now calculate the total magnetic field integrating the above equation. So therefore magnetic field intensity at point P is h bar is equal closed integral of dh bar. So what is dh bar? I dl bar cross AR bar by 4 pi r square. So that is the equation of the magnetic field intensity at point P due to the differential current element. Next, calculate magnetic flux density. How to calculate magnetic flux density? The relationship between magnetic field intensity and magnetic flux density is V bar is equal mu naught into H bar. And substitute H bar value here, we get V bar is equal mu or mu naught. Mu is the absolute permeability. Mu naught is the permeability of the free space. Mu into closed integral of I dl bar, closed line integral of I dl bar cross AR bar by 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So this is the equation of the magnetic field intensity and magnetic flux density at a point P due to the differential current element.